welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin. I'm here with Tom Fitzpatrick, our Vice President of Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. We're very excited to be here with you at this holiday season. I hope that you all have a safe and wonderful holiday season coming up. And it's white outside here in Buffalo, and we're very excited to have some snow on the ground because I can't wait to go skiing. Fitz, how's everything with you?
Everything's good. We're having a good time across the street. We're having many implant specials going on now. And, it's the end of the year, so a lot of doctors are taking advantage of the tax breaks that they get. So we're excited about that. And I know you have something up your sleeve.
Well, don't forget about the tax breaks that you mentioned.
Yeah.
If you buy a cone beam CT this year, before
Correct.
the end of the year, you can get a big tax advantage.
And it's up to $1.6 million.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
we don't charge that much for the cone beams.
Not for the cone beam, but the amount of money that
They increased the
they increased
government.
it from $1 million. So it's up to like 1.6.
That's
now.
good to know. I'll try to figure out what I want to buy before the end of the year.
Get any equipment. Surgical motor, the
cube.
Correct.
I'll tell you, that cube is fantastic. I use it very often in my practice, and our other associate dentists love it because it really helps to loosen up those stubborn roots without taking a lot of bone away.
Right, especially those ankylosed roots where you can really...
You don't want to take away a lot of buccal bone and then you have to wait for that to heal. By using the cube, it really preserves the buccal and lingual plates.
Yeah,
It's a really good advantage.
And I know every doctor that's purchased the cube, every single one, and I'm not exaggerating, has told me that it's one of the best pieces of equipment they've ever bought in dentistry.
Yeah, it's a nice machine. It really
it's
is.
a good machine.
We have two of them here at our office.
It really works well.
Fitz, I come from an advertising background. You know that my grandfather owned Ellis Advertising Company, and Ellis is my middle name, and Joan Ellis was my mother, and Michael Ellis was my grandfather, and Mickey Ellis was my uncle. It was a family business, Ellis Advertising Company. I've taken that business over after all of them have deceased, and we have that business as part of our Shatkin F.I.R.S.T platform. But my mother was in the advertising business her entire life since she was 15 years old.
I remember that.
And she always said, when times are slow, you've got to advertise. And when times are strong, you still have to advertise. Because the thing is, we've gone through a rough patch here in the United States over the last 4 to 6 months.
Definitely.
The economy's been on a downturn. But now I see it starting to go back up. I feel it in my own practice. But over the last several months, I've talked to hundreds of dentists around the country who are our customers, complaining about the fact that business is slower. They're down 15 or 20%. And we've noticed it in Shatkin F.I.R.S.T because obviously when dentists are slow, we're slower.
That's correct.
And that's the way it is. And we've talked to our suppliers, our sources, like other companies around the country. Dental companies are all slower because of the turn down in the economy.
That's correct.
But
100%.
I want to tell you something. We're about to have a big surge. I feel it and I see it in my own practice. But now is the time to advertise. You've got to promote your practice, and you've got to be at the top so that when the consumers feel like they're ready to spend some money, which is happening now, they're going to think of your office first instead of somebody else. And so what I've been doing in my office is I've got Garen in our marketing department doing a big campaign online through Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising is a great avenue to target your practice advertising. We at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T want to help put patients in your chair. And I don't want you to spend money with us to do it. I don't want you to spend money on advertising. I want to give you some free advertising. All you have to do is buy your implants from us. And if you buy your implants from us, you will get patients in your chair through a Facebook advertising campaign that's customized for your practice. And I'm going to have Garen talk more about this in a couple minutes here. But the program is going to work for your practice. Listen, TV, radio, ad, and print ad, it all works great. I do it all. You've got to do everything. You've got to do websites, you've got to do Google ads, you've got to do Instagram, all the things. But we've come up with a great program. Garen has come up with a great promotional program for your practice through Facebook advertising. And I promise you it's going to work. because it works in my office.
What do you think the most important message is to get out about mini implants?
Well, it's always the same message. Do you suffer from loose dentures or do you have missing teeth? Mini implants can be for you, and it can be done in one short visit at a fraction of the cost.
Right.
Simple, fast, effective, and affordable.
Yeah.
And that's the message.
That's the message. That's a
5
great
times
message.
less. We've said it 100 times.
I know. It's great. Yeah, you're absolutely right, and it's effective.
Less invasive, less time, less costly, less visits, and less pain.
That's right.
You know, so those are all the things. So
That's
here's the
correct.
thing. What we're going to do this till the end of the year. You've got basically 3 weeks to take advantage of this special.
Okay.
Because Garen and his team have to put the advertising and get it together so that you can really launch it big after January 1st. But we're going to give you $1,000 in free Facebook advertising. It's a great value.
Awesome. Yeah.
All you have to do is buy 100 implants from Shatkin F.I.R.S.T between now and New Year's. And if you do, you're going to start the year off with a real bang. It's going to be fantastic, and you're going to get new patients in your chair. So buy 100 implants at the new price,
The new
which
lower
is what?
price.
What is the price?
It's $97 for the MDL and $147 for the Milo.
Okay, so it's $97. So you spend $9,700 with us before year end. You'll get $1,000 in free Facebook retargeted advertising, and it's going to go to the community you're in, to all the consumers who use Facebook in your community. They're going to see you come on when they log into Facebook.
And you can start 2025 off with a big marketing push.
That's
and
right.
Garen's great at what he does, so
it's going to work.
It's a win-win.
And then once we get it started and you see that it works, you can talk to Garen and put more dollars into it as we go forward, or you can keep buying the special and we'll let you keep doing it.
That's right. It's a great deal. And I'll tell you what, is there anything in dentistry? Can you do anything else at the chair side that's more profitable than
No,
than doing
that's the greatest thing about it, Fitz. My mother also, one thing she always said is, market, advertise the things you make money at. You know, don't advertise that you're a general dentist. There's general dentists on every corner. Don't advertise fillings. Yeah. Who makes money at doing fillings?
That's a very good point.
Advertise the things you make the most money. And there's not one thing in dentistry that you earn the kind of profit on more than mini dental implants.
Dental implants, that's correct. That makes perfect sense. It really does. It's good.
It makes perfect dollars, too.
Dollars and cents.
All right, well, we love you all, and we're excited for all of you, and we're going to have a great 2025, but let's start it right now, and we'll see you next time on the Monday Morning Minute. Here's Garen Evanson to talk to you more about the Facebook advertising program.
Thanks, Dr. Shatkin, and hello to all of our doctors out there. So I just wanted to talk briefly about the benefits of Facebook advertising for your dental practice. Facebook advertising is a great way to really expand your audience and help you laser focus and target specific segments of the population in your direct area. So you can target specifically by geography within a certain perimeter around your office. You can also target by age, income level, life events, and also interests like health and beauty. So if someone's interested in their health and beauty, typically they're going to be interested in maintaining a healthy and beautiful smile. So these are all great ways to really expand your current audience on Facebook, but also grow that audience and introduce your practice to so many more people in your area who are interested in your services. So this is a phenomenal deal that Dr. Shatkin is providing, and we are happy to assist in helping you guys implement that on your Facebook pages and on your website and help bring more patients in your chairs. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. We're looking forward to working with you.